If you're an investor near term in Tesla, you're either long already, following that buy signal, holding out for 525.72, or you're buying any downward retracements into the 363.48 area as we continue into the first quarter of next year, where we could round up to 525.72 over the following roughly 3 to 6 months. I've been using 5 to 8 months as an objective, but I'm just going to call it 3 to 6 months. Inside of that, we have a rising channel top at 480.26. And this speaks more to what I would call the 3 to 5 week to 1 to 2 month swing trader, where you could, for instance, sell 480.26. Some of you may have and probably already have when we tested that formation several weeks ago, below which the 363.48 support remains in reach over the next month or two. If we close above 480.26 over the coming 2-3 weeks, we should see 525.72, our longer term objective, in as little as 3 to 5 weeks, where we actually could top out through the first quarter of next year, possibly well into 26. That 480.26 channel top has a similar sister formation on the daily chart at 475.15. This is our significant overhead resistance that, if tested, can contain buying through November, and from here we can fall away within a month or two to channel support that we presently find at 366.51. Now inside that, we have what I would call kind of a 2 to 3 week swing trade, and that is the 411.81 former rising channel top that we settled above some weeks ago. Any downward retracements to it should be considered near term, that is to say 2 to 3 week buy opportunities where we could round up again. This 411.81 rising channel top, this former structure, as one able to contain weekly selling pressures. Once tested, we can round back up into that 475, 480.26 region within 2 to 3 weeks. If we close below it, then we're expecting 360s within 2 or 3 weeks. It's about as simple as that. And then we can narrow it even further. This 440.24, we've reduced to an intraday level. Now, we did close below it on Wednesday. We've also reversed or switched, really, our resistance to 455.39. This extreme descending channel top is our new upward breakout point next week into the 470s, 480s. Until then, this sell signal that occurred actually on Wednesday with the settlement back below this channel top is the rejection of a buy signal. It is a valid sign of weakness as we continue through the rest of the week and into early next. 411.81 is now in reach over the next 3 to 5 days. Can absorb selling through next week, and from here we can round up to 455.39 within a week or two, and yes, even into the 480s within 2 to 3 weeks. That 480s once again being that long-term channel top. Now, as it turns out, the 360s remain in reach anyway. Over the next month or two, we close below 411.81, and then we've got a 2 to 3 week sell-off into the 360s. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.